Unlock the tangy, probiotic power of your Costco sauerkraut with these surprisingly simple and delicious culinary adventures. Forget just piling it on hot dogs, though that's a classic for a reason. First, let's talk about elevating your everyday. A tablespoon or two of Costco sauerkraut stirred into your mashed potatoes adds an incredible depth of savory, fermented flavor that's unexpectedly delicious. For a healthy and vibrant boost, toss your favorite salad base with a good helping of sauerkraut. Its acidity cuts through richness and complements grilled chicken, smoked salmon, or even hearty beans beautifully. Think of it as a tangy, gut-friendly dressing alternative. Want to get a little more adventurous? Try pan-frying raw sausages, like kielbasa or bratwurst, and then saute copywriting your sauerkraut in the same pan with a pinch of caraway seeds and a splash of apple cider vinegar. The flavors meld together into a super comforting and deeply satisfying meal. And for a quick, satisfying snack or appetizer, spread a little cream cheese on a sturdy cracker, top it with a dollop of Costco sauerkraut, and you've got a flavor explosion that's both creamy and tangy. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sauerkraut pairs wonderfully with rich meats like pork and beef, complements creamy cheeses, and even adds a surprising zest to hearty grain bowls. Embrace the tang and discover your new favorite way to enjoy Costco sauerkraut.